All right, sorry that my video got cut off. Technical difficulties. Still a little bit of a rookie when it comes to recording. So, um, you should have the number of sit-ups that you did in your head right now. I'm just using this Google Classroom as the example, but when you go to classwork, remember we do have this physical activity topic, and your fitness testing log is right there. This should look familiar because you did this for your push-ups. So today we are on the sit-up category, and I would write 42. And today's date that I am doing it is October 15th. So whatever day you're doing it, it should be either Tuesday or Thursday, depending on which day you have Fayed. You would put that in. You should also have your push-up score in there. If I recall, I did 6 on October 4th, okay? And then you can just close out of this form because we're not quite to finishing it. But again, remember this is your baseline. So hopefully you did the best you can. From here, you are going to choose one of those workout videos and complete that. And then with whatever remaining time you have left, do any physical activity that you enjoy, whether it be inside or outside. And then most importantly, don't forget to complete the Google form, okay? Because that's the only way that I know that you did Phi-Ed today. So hope you all are having a great day, and we'll get back after it next week.